What's leaking under here?
Got it all good, buddy?
Yeah. What's leaking under there? Alright, in this episode of The Lost RVers, we're preparing to get to Walker River Resort in Smith, Nevada. But I have to change two tires. This one. And come around here. Look at this one. So some people would say, yeah, you don't have to change them. I'm going to change them. For whatever reason, the two rear ones are wearing down faster, and I'm hearing scuttlebutt is that a lot of people are having the same problem. So because of the shortages in tires from China and other places, Goodyear, I could only find one in this town. So I'm going to buy the one they have and then put on our spare. We should be good to go. So that's the plans for today. I'll be back. All right, everything is battened down. Taking it up in an hour to have these rear tires, both sides, replaced. Better safe than sorry. Quick update on the F-150. We did have the catalytic converter changed. It was still under warranty. They only changed the left side. Who knew that catalytic converters come left and right, but only the left side was out. They replaced that. So this will be the first, not long haul, but a good up and over the Sierras. See how it works. Anyway, let's get on to the next stage, which is getting these tires on, and then we'll be back. Be a short video. I'll try to keep it short. Why not? Lost RVers. RV update. New tires. All right, so this is the, we came up here to Sierra Trailers. There's the F-150 4x4 pick-me-up truck, and there's the Mesa Ridge 21FB walk around bed. So we had to change two tires and four bearings. Oh yeah. Two tires and four bearings. Plus fill up the want me to move the truck?
Yeah?
Want me to move my truck? Plus filled up the propanes. And that was about it. $651. I have to get two more eventually, but it's nice to know that the bearings are packed and all the wheels are good. Here's the spare. So yeah, there we have it. Repaired and ready for Walker River Resort. So let's tow this baby home, and I'll be back with the final word. And there we go. What's leaking under here?
Got it all good, buddy?
Yeah. What's leaking under there? All right. Well, we have a little problem. The black, actually, it's the pipe that the black water and the gray water pipe. It's not pressurized, but apparently the axle came up on a bump and hit it and kind of cracked it, so there's a little leak down there. And we'll have to deal with that. He said probably I could just put a little glue on it because it isn't pressurized. And it's just a small little hole, but it is leaking black water. Or just, not black water, but whatever happens to be in there. So anyway, all right, let's take this home and try to get it in the driveway. All right, I got it back in reposition. Now I'm going to go look at this axle. Come with me and look at this axle. Okay, this is the new tire. Now the guy told me that the bearings were scored on the backs. Now this has about 25 to 27,000 miles on those tires. These are the front ones, not bad. Those are really bald, not bald, but really bad. So we changed those and changed all four bearings. And then we found this problem here. See this pipe right there? Well, I'm gonna have to screw it. There you go. I'm not sure if you can see it. See that liquid right there coming out right there? Well, the axle, when it hits a bump, goes up and it hits this thing right here. It hits this pipe, and it put a little crack in it. Now, it's not pressurized, so he said just put some glue on there, like a super glue, and hopefully that will hold. But there's about 6 inches. Now, we're on a little bit of an incline to the right. It's about 6 inches over there, but it's about, I don't know, a ½ inch right up there. So I'm not sure why. We're going to kind of have to tuck it up. Bad design, of course. And let me hold on. So I got 2 Goodyear tires for a cost of $135 each. 4 bearings, and labor, environmental fees, tire disposal fee, bearing kit. The bearing kit was $34 for 4, and it was $139 in labor to put them in. And oh, they topped off our propane tanks for free, so the total was $651. RVing ain't cheap, that's for sure. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time on The Lost RVers. And remember, please subscribe. Thanks.